So in this new video of this new week, we're going to start with chapter 10. So for the new task, you need to make 3 exercises of chapter 10, but we're also going to start with chapter 12. You've finished the following exercises, 28 until 42, and I would like you to check your answers. You can do it over here, although I hope that you already did, or you can use your own solutions book. And please make a copy or a photo of your homework and put it in your own notebook. In this lesson, I would like to give a summary of chapter 10. And after this video, you can do exercise 43, 44, and 45. Because there's no new theory that will be there in chapter 12. Okay, so after this video, you will understand all the theory of chapter 10. If you have questions about your previous homework, please let me know in Teams or send me an email. And now I'm going to do the summary. Okay, in chapter 10, we learned that there are formulas. You already knew that. And a formula always has 2 variables. For example, over here we have m is 3p plus 4. The variables are m and p, and those are the letters in the formula. This formula has 2 terms, 3p and 4, and those terms can't be added together because they don't understand each other, because the 3 has a p and the 4 doesn't have a p. So it can't be shortened. We don't write the multiplication sign anymore, so you don't write k is 7 times p plus 4, but you will write k is 7p plus 4. So this sign, we don't write it anymore. We also don't write a 1 before a variable, so we don't write k is 1p plus 3, but you write k is p plus 3. Okay, formulas can be shortened. So if we have the formula h is 3b plus b plus 4 minus 7, we can write it shorter. And you need to look at the terms that are, well, family to each other, and we call that like terms. So 3b and b, they are called like terms, and they can be added together. In Dutch, it's called gelijksoortige termen. The 4 and the negative 7 are also like terms, because you can take them together as well. But 3b and 4 are not like terms. So we can shorten this to h is 4b, and then plus 4 minus 7 will become negative 3. And those 2 terms are not like terms, so you can't shorten it further. Okay, you can calculate the result of a formula. For example, if we have the formula m is 3p plus 4, then you can calculate m when p is 2. So then you replace the p with the 2, and then you get 3 times 2 is 6 plus 4. So then m is 10. And you need to know the order of operations. Okay, we also learned equations, and they look like formulas, but it's a little bit different, because a formula has 2 variables and an equation has 1 variable, and the outcome is replaced by a number. For example, we had in the formula over here, we had m is 3p plus 4, and now we replaced m, the outcome of the formula, with 19. And you can solve equations by using cards. And over here, I already wrote it down. So you write down the equation, 19 is 3p plus 4, and then you cover the term with a formula with a card, and then you can think about, okay, 19 is the same as something plus 4, and then you have to write down 15, of course. So 3p needs to be 15, because then it's correct, and then it says 3 times p is 15, so p is 5, because 3 times 5 is p. Okay, well, this is in short a summary of chapter 10. Chapter 12 is also like this, so we're also going to do formulas and equations in chapter 12. So please ask me questions if you have questions about the homework, and check your homework. And now you're able to do 43, 44, and 45 because those are mixed exercises. So it's not new theory, it's just, well, the things you already learned. Okay, good luck.